Hello friends. In this video, I will show you how to create catalog in WhatsApp Business. To create a catalog, open your WhatsApp Business app and go to Business Tools in bottom right corner. Here, tap on Catalog and then click on Add New Item. Now you can upload a product photo. For example, let's say I'm selling fresh homemade noodles. I'll upload a picture of the noodles. After that, enter the product name. In this case, I'll write fresh homemade noodles. Next, add the price. For example, I'll set it to $450 per kg. You can also add a description like delicious homemade noodles, freshly prepared. If you want, you can keep the price negotiable or fixed. Once you've filled in all the details, just tap Save. That's it. Your item is now added to your catalog. And that's how you create catalog in WhatsApp Business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.